Open the LG ThinQ app and click on Add Product. Choose the manual product selection method, either by scanning the product's QR code or selecting it manually. Currently, we're selecting manually. Now, click Next. Select the specific product and its category. Turn on the Wi-Fi of the air conditioner. To activate the Wi-Fi, press the Comfort Air button on the AC for 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi icon will start blinking on the AC display once activated. Click on Complete Setup. Connect your mobile device to the LG AC network. For the password, if you're an iPhone user, the password will be last 4 characters of the LG AC network name. Suppose if the LG AC network name is ending with AB12, the password will be AB12AB12. Once the connection between your smartphone and the AC is established, the app will initiate the process to add the device and prompt you to connect to an active Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will take a moment to add the device. Upon successful addition, a confirmation will be displayed. With the successful setup, you can now take control of your LG air conditioner using the LG ThinQ app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your AC settings right from your mobile device. When you click on the air conditioner in the LG ThinQ app, here's what you can do. Power on/off. Control the AC by turning it on or off directly from the app. Mode selection. Change the operating mode by clicking on the mode name, offering flexibility in how the AC functions. Temperature and fan speed. Adjustment. Easily adjust the temperature and fan speed settings to your comfort level. Horizontal and vertical swing control. Have control over the direction of airflow with options for both horizontal and vertical swing, which can be used individually or in combination. Scheduled operation. Set specific times for the AC to automatically turn on or off according to your preferred schedule. Sleep timer. Utilize the sleep timer function to ensure the AC operates for a specific duration and then automatically turns off. Special features access. Access and control supported special features of the AC directly from the app. Useful features. Section. Filter management. Keep track of and manage the air filter status for optimal performance. Energy monitoring. Monitor energy consumption to promote efficiency. Smart diagnosis. Diagnose and troubleshoot issues using smart technology. Special features for latest 2024 model. Freeze clean, diet mode, and kilowatt manager.